Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I am the one and only AbbyJ. And for those of you who don't, or for those of you who do chat, oh my gosh. Hey, so today is officially day 1, day 2, whatever you want to call it. Either way, it's my full day here. We got here yesterday. Today is gonna be our first full day, and everybody is out. My dad's at his conference, that's why we're here, and my stepmom went to the gym. I didn't work out, so we are getting ready. It is like, it's 8 o'clock, well 8:30 here. Where's my phone? It's 8:30 here, and so my plan for the mornings are to my plans for the morning is to wake up at 8:30, get ready and stuff, and be done by 9:30. Go film and take pictures and be done with that by like 10:15. And then go eat, edit, and be done with everything by 12, because that's when my dad gets back. His conference is from 7 to 12 every day. So edit and then have everything ready to upload for y'all and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go get ready. I'm gonna play some tunes, of course. My camera's, it's not dying, but it's going to. And so I'm gonna charge it, so I'm not gonna put it up. Y'all see the shower though? Isn't it dope? That's my bathing suit hanging out. The one I wear yesterday, but
Twerk, bang, pick up plane, flip a bird, pigeon plane, it's a word, it's a
I'm officially done getting ready. This is the fit. About to get my bag with it because there's a bag that goes with it. I hate that my chain keeps falling inside my shirt, so you know. This is the fit. Yeah. So about to get everything. About to put y'all right here. Get my stuff together. I'm gonna go take pictures and I'm gonna go record a Valentine's Day video for y'all. The Valentine's Day video will be up before this because that has to be posted tomorrow. So y'all will see that before you see this. If only y'all can see the struggle I'll be enduring with the tripod. Okay. I'm going on an anklet. I'm actually gonna adjust this chain because I don't like how it's so. I had to get some boonies and stuff on my phone. Y'all, let's go outside. It's so nice. Literally, this resort is so. Ow, my eyes. Sun is killing my eyes. Y'all can't even see me. I'm so sorry. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, this is outside. It's very peaceful. Let me put my shirt down. It's the only problem. It's like a crop top. When I lift my hands up, you know. I needed this vacation. I don't think y'all understand. I think I want to change how I did my hair. Oh, now it has to adjust. My bad. Okay. So I'm gonna take some pictures and stuff on my phone, like videos and stuff, and then I'm gonna come right back. And I'll probably eat and edit and stuff. I gotta record this Valentine's Day video, which I might do outside. But anyways, all right. So I found a place to record. I'm gonna record in this little nook. it's kind of a public place, so y'all might see people, or you won't see people, but you might hear people walking by. But whatever. I personally don't care. So I'm gonna set y'all up. I'm gonna set my tripod up. Meantime, stop looking at my skin. But yeah. Okay, y'all. So I just finished editing. I'm about to just chill. My camera's down. I actually need to go back to the room and put it on the charger. And I'm gonna come back out here, edit my pictures and stuff like that. So, yeah. I just finished the video. This was my scenery for the video, the software video. I need to edit it. I think I'm gonna come out here, relax. And then I'm gonna finish editing. I don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all, but I need to put you on the charger. So, let go.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, lend me your ears.
Alright, it's on my lunch. Currently watching the food, or watching our stuff until parents come back. I'm good. These ones I took for today. Y'all see the ones from yesterday? Let's see. These ones from yesterday. They came out super cute. Sun is draining, y'all. I need a nap. I'm not sure if I want to edit these because they're super cute as it is. Like, the sun was great. I'm gonna edit one. If I don't like it, I'm gonna turn it. If it's like great lighting, I normally don't edit. Most times I'll just leave it as is. I mainly add the tint to the outdoor ones, indoor ones, like at night. To add that brown tint, but I like how bright it is in these pictures. I think this is it with the filter, and this is without it. Filter, without it. I don't know. So I'm in the egg. I think like these egg chairs are super cool. I'm waiting on my food. I ordered some more food because it's all inclusive. Why not? Got me some food, and then I'm ordering some drinks whenever the person comes back. I'm gonna set up. I posted on Instagram, hashtag go like and comment on the recent. Y'all, when I tell you this stupid tripod is making me mad. I don't like how there's space for an iguana or something. They'll just come and eat me. Okay. Grab this so I can see when my food is ready. Yeah. Thank y'all for resharing. I wonder if he's gonna answer with his face in it.
Hello.
Why are you always on pause? Huh? You make me sick. My phone's on do not disturb. You know you gotta call twice for me to even see it.
Nah, I don't care.
No, that's rude. Yeah.
Oh, bro, you're on vacation. Stop being a lame.
That's exactly why I should take a nap.
No, that's exactly why you should go find stuff.
No. Sick. Hey, Matt, my food's ready. Ah.
Hey, let's get it.
Who was Let's? Let me go get my food. You see my pizza?
Yeah.
It's for me and me only. Or my sneaky link that I find here. Let me These fries look pale as hell. Huh?
You're so funny.
Thanks. Ooh.
Hey, what that got to do with me? Oh, I'm sorry.
Remember my food. I don't want to talk to you no more.
Huh?
I don't want to talk to you no more.
Yes, you do.
Alright, so I finished eating. I'm kind of tired, but I also want to go to the beach, so I am going to... Are my parents on the balcony? Nope. Matt gotta go do something, and I don't got no friends, so I'm gonna go do something. Oh, he is rolling. There's a guy in a wheelchair, and he is zooming. But yeah, I'm gonna go put on my bathing suit and charge my phone because it is dying. And then I'm gonna go down to the beach, take some pictures. I don't know if I'm gonna stay down there, but definitely gonna take pictures. I might just chill in like a lounge or something. I don't know. And enjoy my day until it is time to do something with my family. And I'll go do that. Adjust, okay. But yeah, super relaxing. When I tell y'all I needed this vacation, I needed this vacation for sure. I was so sick and tired of being home. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go to Florida after. It feels so good to be out of high school, bro. Because I could not do another semester. I really couldn't. Like, that would have been my 13th reason, honestly. Okay, I decided to take y'all with me. I did charge you guys, but black bikinis for the win. Yeah, they didn't come with me. My sister should be here. I have nobody to do anything with, but it's okay because I kept it by myself. But yeah, I'm about to go down to the beach, take pictures, relax, maybe sit in an egg. Don't make this comfy. But yeah, I'm obviously gonna take pictures. Y'all know the deal. Oh, light bright. Ooh. The resort is pretty quiet. What time is it? 8 o'clock. Yesterday was a little more crowded around this time, but I'm gonna head down there and just chill. Dinner, all the dinner spots open at 6:30, so it's 3:23 right now, so I meant to bring my iPad. I really need to edit this Valentine's Day. There's not much editing needed. But you know, just little things here and there to make it entertaining and whatnot. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out if I want a pina colada or not. I've had 3 already today. I need to relax. But all inclusive, baby. Might as well. I would hate for my father's money to go to waste, you know? Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. About this life. My life. Ooh, this wind. It's blowing these lashes. One thing about this glue though, it don't move. But yeah. I'm definitely enjoying myself. So I made it back in the room. Oh gosh, I need to touch my makeup. Made it back in the room, so I'm going to hop in the jacuzzi. After the beach, I went down to the infinity pool, but it was very cold, so I wasn't in there very long. But I'm about to hop in the jacuzzi now. Right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's what I'm about to do right now. So, yeah. Have a bathing suit on right now. Might as well, you know, make good use of it. I bought 4 bathing suits for 7 days, so use every one to its fullest. Let that drain out. Then we're gonna plug it on both ends. Now let that fill up. So yeah, that's great. And my camera's dying. Y'all, I need to make sure that I charge the camera tonight because I don't have to worry about the camera. Okay, the camera always about to be dead, you know. So I'm gonna charge this. I will catch up. I don't know if we're doing anything for the Super Bowl, but I know what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear like a leather I'm gonna wear the color black, but like I have my leather hat and I don't know what pants. I don't know what outfits I did, but let me show y'all. Okay. Don't do that. You doing the most for what? Why are you focused? Thank you. I'm gonna show y'all how I moved in. The light for the closet turns on when you open it. So I have all my stuff in here. So here. In their back.
Remember what he's gonna do?
So yeah, it's not nice. What did y'all book?
Kind of following him, didn't she? The door's open. Good.
No, I just opened that. It was closed.
That's why it's cold in here.
Okay. Are we going to the Super Bowl tonight? I just woke up. I'm gonna take a shower and get dressed. My parents went to eat. We're going to some show, something Michael Jackson. Man, I don't know, bro. I'm so tired. I was out on the balcony. I was napping right there in that chair. It was amazing. But I'm gonna go get dressed. And then I'm gonna come back. Yeah. BRB. So I'm ready. That's what I wore. There's pictures on the gram. Actually, I'm gonna go this way. But yeah, I don't know where they are, so I'm just gonna go eat and let them know as to where I am. Hopefully they can find me. They went over, so there's 2 resorts, like back to back. They're pretty much the same thing, and we have access to both. You're like, if we're like a VIP, you have access to both. So we have access to both. So they went over there to eat, but oh shoot, but I feel like going over there quite frankly. I do want to go there tonight because they do have some nice restaurants over there. So let's see. I'm just gonna go to the same place I went for breakfast. See what they have for dinner. They look like they have some good salads, so I'm gonna go see what that's about. Quite frankly, I think I'm going the wrong way. Where am I going? I don't know where I'm going. I'm gonna go eat. Quite frankly, I'm tired. We're going to a show at 9:30. Yeah, but I think after this, I'm just gonna chill on the balcony and edit and stuff because I need to get that video out. I keep postponing it, and it's pissing me off, but I'm gonna get it out for you guys, okay? But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna record when I get there because I'm just walking right now. It's very peaceful. But yeah, okay, so change of plans. The places I wanted to eat was not open, so I got takeout from an Italian spot. I'm in the room. They're watching the Super Bowl, but we're going to the show later, so I am just gonna watch Single Parents out here because my girl Kendra, she updated the Hulu, no ads. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm about to sit and watch that. Got my ginormous Sprite. That hurt my nail. ASMR. Okay. That's cool too. My life is a mess. True. Pour fast, y'all. Pour fast. Pour fast. Pour fast. That was a mess at first. Start with my salad. The pasta looks really good. It's my salad. They literally just gave me a big chunk. It's a Caesar salad, but I asked them to put cucumbers and tomatoes in it. They literally just gave me one big chunk of lettuce. And then my pasta. My pasta looks pretty good. Kind of a small serving, but looks really good. They don't use straws here, and they're super into like saving the turtle, not saving the turtles, but you know, keeping the environment clean pretty much. So all their utensils are wooden, which kind of sucks. But you know, oh wow, literally everything is wooden. I could have built this myself. Look. Hold on. Look, I got a wooden knife. So, I'm gonna go watch Single Parents.
Damas y caballeros, el tiempo de espectáculo. So ladies and gentlemen, so we are ready to start our show tonight. Así que la pregunta es, the question is, how many people are ready for have a good time tonight? Please, show fun.
So it is oh, my ears. Y'all, my ears. It feels so weird, and it hurts so bad. And it got worse when I started talking. It is currently like almost pretty much midnight. And so I'm gonna end this vlog. Today was super fun. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. Y'all will see in the vlog. But yeah, you already know the deal. If you got time for one, got time for a ton, so go ahead and watch another video on this channel. And until next time.